Want to unlock a new revenue stream and reach thousands of potential customers? First, make sure you have a Teespring store set up with products you want to sell. Already have one? Great, let's move on. Next, open your Instagram app and navigate to your profile page, then tap on the Edit Profile button. Now, in the website field, paste your Teespring store URL or a specific product link. This is where your followers will go to purchase your awesome merch. Pro tip: use a Linkinbio tool like Linktree to showcase multiple Teespring products with just one link in your bio. Level up: if you have a business account with 10,000 followers or more, unlock the swipe up feature. This lets you add direct links to your Teespring products in your stories. Simply add a product sticker and link to your Teespring product page. Finally, consistently create engaging content and promote your Teespring products in your posts and stories. Remind your audience to visit the link in your bio to shop your merchandise. And that's it. Now you're ready to start selling your Teespring products directly through Instagram. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more e-commerce tips.